Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't hit the like, subscribe and share button, please do so. In this video, I would like to share my experiences with the government agency while I was looking for a job. After finishing my B1 level, I started with B2 level on my own. Simultaneously, I registered myself with Agentur für Arbeit. It is an agency which helps people search for job. Of course, it's a government agency. I got an appointment with one of the consultant from the Agentur für Arbeit within 2 weeks of booking my appointment. So I went and met him. So it is completely important to speak in German. They do not entertain a single word in English. I had a lot of difficulty in discussing and speaking with him, as my German language wasn't so good at that point of time. However, I managed to convince him that I was ready for the vocational training rather than a German course. He suggested me a course. It was called Proing course. In this course, I learned mainly about rules and regulations of Germany. There were a lot of consultants coming in this course who would guide us on how to prepare your CV, how to face an interview. Of course, they also guided us how to update your profile in Zinc. As we have LinkedIn, we also have in Germany Zinc, and it also helps us to get a job. When I was in this basic course, we have students from all over the world belonging to various fields: marketing, sales, HR, finance, engineers, as this is a very common course. After these 2 months, they start segregating the students. For example, as I was in finance, they started suggesting me some courses related to accounting, not because that I didn't know the concept, but of course it would help me to with the language. Of course, when I start working in German language, the course is closely monitored. We have a consultant who interacts with each and every student almost every day. They are very particular if we have attended the classes or not, and we really had examinations, and they were very particular if we cleared the examination or not, because to get a German certificate, it's really tough. Those 2 months were really tough. I can't express. Sitting in the class every day for 8 hours listening to German language was very tough. And then having a fear of giving exams and always having a fear if I would clear the exams or not. However, once I got the certificate, I was really very happy. These certificates help a lot in finding a job. During the whole process, while you are studying in your class, the consultant is simultaneously looking for a job. So once he finds a suitable job, he requests you to prepare a cover letter. In my case, I did prepare a lot of cover letters, and my consultant changed all of them. It was really very nice of him to do that. Here I would like to say that it is really very easy to interact with the employees of Agentur für Arbeit. They are really very calm, and they do understand that you do not know the language. So you're really free to discuss about all your queries, and they really help you in every way possible to in this whole cycle of learning and applying for jobs and finding one. In conclusion, I would say that you do not need to ask a lot of people about the whole process. It's very simple. Just get yourself enrolled with Agentur für Arbeit. The link is below, and I'm sure your consultant will guide you in the best possible way. And the best part is that they really bear all your expenses. You do not have to pay for such courses, and it is quite appreciable of the government agencies that they also bear your transportation cost. It definitely takes a lot of effort to learn the language and to go through this whole process, but I would say that it is definitely worth it, and I would recommend to all of you who are looking for a job in Germany. And if you have any further questions regarding this topic, do type in your comments. Please like, subscribe and share, and meet you next week. Bye.